welcome to another class with Teacher B. Our lesson today is Consonant Sounds Part 3. As you know, we've been treating consonant sounds for quite some time now. We've had the first part and the second part, and here today is the third part of consonant sounds, and we're going to learn 5 new sounds today. Alright, the first sound we're going to learn today is sound P. 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 Examples of words with the sound P are pencil, pencil, ripple, ripple, stop, stop, and so on. More examples. All right. The next sound is sound T, T, T. And examples of words with the sound T are tremble, tremble, table, table, Thomas, Thomas, and so on. All right. And number 3 sound is K. And examples of words with the sound are camel, camel, kite, kite, question, question, and so on. All right. Find out more examples. All right. Number 4 sound is and we have examples of words like family, family, rough, rough. The GH gives you the sound of letter F. And the last example, fish, fish, and so on. Okay, the last sound we're going to learn today is sound S. 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 Examples of words with the sound are sense, sense, palace, 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 rise, rise, and so on. Okay, children, call your friends and watch the video together. You're going to learn something. I'm expecting your feedback on Facebook, Instagram, and then you can also chat me up for more and detailed trainings. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.